everyone. So today we're making an elderberry smoothie. This is a great smoothie to help boost your immune system, and it doesn't take a lot. So right now I'm adding in 1 cup of frozen strawberries. You can use fresh or frozen fruit, but I like to use frozen so I don't have to add any additional ice or anything to the smoothie. Right here we're adding in 1/2 cup of blueberries, but you can use whatever berries that you like. I had strawberry and blueberry on hand. And next we're adding in 1 whole banana. If you don't like bananas, you can leave it out. I like it. It adds a little bit more sweetness to the smoothie. Now we're moving on to the base of our smoothie. I like to use water. This is alkaline water, but you can use coconut milk, almond milk, oat milk, especially if you want to add additional sweetness to the smoothie. So go ahead and add in that 1 cup of water. Now the star of the show here is elderberry juice. You can get some fresh elderberries and juice it yourself. I got this from my local provider, and I'm adding in 2 tablespoons to the smoothie right now. Next, this is optional. Sometimes I like to add protein powder to my smoothies. I use the Purely Inspired organic plant-based protein powder. You only need 1 scoop or so, but if you don't have to add it. Now we're going to blend everything together until it's smooth. That usually takes me about a minute or so with the type of blender that I have. And that is it. You go ahead and pour it up in your glass. Sometimes I like to use a jar. And you can check in the description below a list of all the benefits of elderberry juice or the elderberries, because they have a lot of antioxidants and vitamins, especially vitamin C, which is really good to help boost your immune system. And there you had it. Add your straw. You can top it with some blueberries or additional strawberries and enjoy your smoothie. Thank you. Be sure to like and subscribe.